Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Then access passwords and security. Over here you need to tap on face unlock. Click on next at the bottom and enter your current login method. If you don't have it, you can set it up from here. I will go with pattern. Wait 5 seconds, click on got it in the pop-up and create your login method. Following that, you need to repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select confirm at the bottom right corner. Now click on start. Wait 5 seconds and choose next in attention pop-up. Finally, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to and tap on Done. Then adjust all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to chosen features. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. In order to delete your face data, click on it, choose Delete Face Data at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!